Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the card and the number. Start now by confirming balance and expiry so you won't be cut off mid-call. Dial the access number exactly as printed. Some require local dialing prefixes. When prompted, enter the PIN slowly and listen for confirmation. Once done, note any alternative access codes given for mobile or landline. Make sure to write down the session confirmation number. It helps reconcile minutes if the system misreports usage. After the system confirms your PIN, you'll be asked for the destination number. Dial the country code, then area code, and the local number without extra zeros. Follow prompts. If an automated system requires pauses, use the phone's pause or wait function to insert a break. Once connected, listen for announced remaining minutes and rate per minute so you can shorten the call if needed. If you lose connection, redial using the alternative access number provided earlier. Wrap up by ending the call a minute early to avoid sudden drops as the balance hits zero. You'll preserve clarity. After the call, record the remaining balance and session ID shown and keep the receipt for disputes. If the call fails to connect, retry with the alternate access number or switch to mobile versus landline access as instructed. Sometimes routing differs. If problems persist, contact the card's customer service with session details, and they can restore minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.